While talking about the significant changes in Indian Air Force capability, the Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Western Air Command has said that the air-launched BrahMos system now has an extended range of 450 kilometers, and the Indian Air Force is currently in the process of operationalizing the system and will have this capability within few weeks.
The BrahMos, for example, can go up to 450 kilometers. I mean, that's the Indian Air Force capability today. It has shown itself to be very spectacular, very accurate, and we are in the process of operationalizing it.
42 Su-30 fighter jets will be modified to carry one air-launched BrahMos system, and they will also be equipped with the recently delivered 4 RVVST systems with a range of 110 kilometers, 2 short-range RVVMD systems with a range of 40 kilometers, and 6 air-to-ground systems. The Indonesian Defence Minister will arrive on his 3-day visit to India from 26 July and will hold discussions to strengthen bilateral defence cooperation between the two countries. The Indonesian Navy already operates the Russian P-800 supersonic anti-ship system and has expressed interest to procure the air-launched BrahMos system for its fleet of Su-27 and Su-30 fighter jets. India and Indonesia have also been conducting joint patrolling activities along the Malacca Straits under the Corpat series of exercises. India has officially started the process to procure 6 more P-8I long-range anti-submarine aircraft, as India has issued a letter of request to the US government, which will now send the letter of acceptance after congressional approval. Officials have said that the deal is expected to be signed by early 2021. The Indian government is moving ahead with the emergency procurement of 6 Predator B drones from the US, while the signing of the final contract for 30 Predators have been delayed due to the high cost of the deal of approximately $3.5 billion. The White House press secretary has said that the Trump administration has revised the US drone export standards yesterday, and under the new policy, the drones flying below 800 km per hour will no longer be subjected to the Missile Technology Control Regime. The original plan was to equip the 36 Rafale fighter jets with the Israeli Spice-2000 systems, which have already been integrated into other French-origin Mirage 2000 of the Indian Air Force. But after the cost of Spice-2000 systems, the cost of integration, and the total time required for the whole process to complete was calculated, the Indian Air Force decided to procure the Hammer standoff systems from France for faster operational deployment, which is almost double the price of the Israeli Spice-2000 system. The Chinese Navy is looking to build a new Type 76 amphibious combat ship with an electromagnetic aircraft catapult and arresting gear that will be used to launch the GJ-11 stealth unmanned combat air vehicles and will operate the WZ-5B Skyhawk vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicles. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh spoke with his Israeli counterpart Lieutenant General Benjamin Gantz, and this comes at a time when India is making emergency military purchases from Israel, including the Firefly loitering ammunition, repeated order of Spike anti-tank guided systems, Spice-2000 guidance kits, and a fully operational surface-to-air defense system for emergency deployment in the Ladakh sector. He also invited the greater participation of Israeli defense companies in the Indian defense manufacturing sector under the new revised foreign direct investment regime. India has extended a $400 million currency swap facility with Sri Lanka to help recover its economy, and this comes at a time when China had orchestrated the Sri Lankan government to constitute a panel for reviewing the deal signed with India and Japan in May 2019 for the development of the East Container Terminal of the Colombo port.